Today we going to take a class on forward chaining and backward chaining. Before we know about a forward chaining and backward chaining, let we know about what is an inference engine. In inference engine means that is an intelligent machine. The intelligent machine in intelligent machine there is a knowledge base is there. Knowledge base is nothing but there is a data is stored in the database. Like that, what are the things occurs in the world like facts, information, all are stored in a knowledge base. For example, we take automated car. In the automated car, we not only know about how to drive a car and also know about the road signals and speed breaker, etc. That all informations are stored in a knowledge base. Who are all stored in knowledge base? Stored by a human expert. Inference engine, what are the things they are doing means, என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா நாலேஜில் ஸ்டோர் ஆகியிருக்க ஃபேக்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ரூல்ஸ் கூட லைக் தட் மேட்ச் பண்ணும்போது இட் காட் அ நியூ இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். இந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் யூஐ மூலமாக யூஸருக்கு சென்ட் பண்ணும். In inference engine only there are two modes, one is a forward and another one is a backward. In forward chaining, we do a facts, then rules and then conclusion. In backward chaining, we do first a conclusion, that is a goal, then we move for a rules and then is a facts. In forward chaining, it is a bottom up approach. Backward chaining is a top down approach. It is a data driven because the reasoning start from a set of data, that is a fact, start from a fact. It is a goal driving because it backward chaining is starts from a goal, so it is a goal driven. And this existing information I already told, facts, derivations, conditions, these are the kind of existing information. And in backward chaining is a backward processing to finding usage in diagnostic, debugging and prescription. And what are the difference between the forward chaining and backward chaining is difference between a backward chaining and forward chaining is, first of all, start from a known facts and applies inference tool to extract more data. Unit reaches the goal. But in backward chaining, first of all, we start from the goal and then we move for the rules and move for the facts. It is a bottom up approach and it is a top down approach. It is a data driven, it is a goal driven, and it reasoning applies a breadth first search strategy. But backward chaining is a depth first search strategy. Forward chaining tests all the available rules. Backward chaining only test a few required rules. Forward chaining is suitable for a planning, monitoring, control and interpretation application. But in backward chaining is suitable for a diagnostic, prescription and debugging application. Forward chaining can generate an infinite number of possible conclusions. That means many things possible. Infinite means more. It's not up to 10 like that, not. It's more to go. Backward chaining, it generates a finite number of possible conclusions. It operates in the forward direction. I already said facts, rules and conclusion. It operates from the backward goal, rules and facts. It is aimed one for conclusion, any conclusion. Backward chaining is only aimed for the required data. The advantages of forward chaining is suitable to draw multiple conclusions simultaneously, because we start from facts, we move for the conclusion. That time we got a many conclusion simultaneously. Higher flexibility than backward chaining. When compared to backward chaining, it is a flexible is high and reliable for conclusion. In disadvantage is time consuming because from the facts means we want to find out the conclusion. But in backward chaining there is no time consumption because already we know about conclusion and goal. We want the data, only the data, so it is taken, a time taken is very easy. The fact explanation is unclear. And in backward reasoning, advantage is swifter than a forward chaining and it's to be easy process. and efficiently drives correct solution. In disadvantage provides a single answer. Is but in already said no. In forward chaining, more conclusion is come. But in backward reasoning, its conclusion is not from the conclusion only. We move for the solution. We move for the data. So only the single data is come and lacks flexibility. Suitable only if the end point is known. When we use backward reasoning means we know about the goal, then only we move for the backward reasoning. Then difficult to execute. Execution is also difficult. Then we move for a first order logic. First order logic is nothing but it represents the facts, that is it is true or false. For example, today in our area it is raining. It means it's raining or not raining. Anything only true or only false. This is the first order logic. In proportional logic is not sufficiently expressive to represent the following statement. Some humans are intelligent, all mangoes are sweets, like that it's come. And first order logic is also known as a predicate logic.